Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review and highlight the best products for your home and garden. Today, we're diving into one of the best HVAC fences out there, the Enclo Privacy Screen's Charleston Cedar Wood Privacy Screen. This stylish, functional privacy wall is perfect for your outdoor space and provides an elegant way to enclose your HVAC system, pool equipment, trash cans, or air conditioner units. Whether you're looking for privacy, security, or a clean look, this fence has you covered. The first thing that catches your eye about the Enclo Privacy Screen is its natural, FSC-certified cedar wood material. Unlike other vinyl or plastic privacy fences, this product boasts the unique texture and aesthetic of real wood. This means no two panels are the same, offering a one-of-a-kind look for your yard. The rich, warm hues of the cedar add a touch of sophistication, blending seamlessly with both modern and traditional outdoor settings. Installation of the Enclo Privacy Screen is incredibly easy. With its no-dig, simple assembly design, you can set up the panels without needing to dig holes or pour concrete, saving you time and hassle. The product includes two panels that stand at 42 inches high and 38 inches wide, providing the perfect balance of privacy and openness. It's ideal for situations where you want to keep things hidden, like pool equipment or trash bins, but still maintain an open and airy feel in your yard. One of the standout features of this privacy screen is its versatility. Not only can it act as an air conditioner fence, but it's also perfect for creating a private oasis by using it as a wall around your patio, garden, or outdoor living spaces. You can also place it strategically to block wind, create a secluded area, or enhance the aesthetics of your backyard. The durable cedar construction is built to withstand the elements, making it a long-lasting solution for your outdoor privacy needs. Another advantage of this product is the easy-to-maintain nature of the cedar wood. It's resistant to pests and rot, ensuring that the privacy screen will stand up to the test of time. If you ever want to refresh the look, cedar wood can be stained or treated to match your style preferences. Plus, the natural wood finish means it will age beautifully, gaining a unique patina as the years go by. To wrap things up, the Enclo Privacy Screen's Charleston Cedar Wood Privacy Screen is not just another garden accessory. It's a highly functional, stylish addition to your home. If you're looking for the best HVAC fence, pool equipment enclosure, or simply a way to enhance your yard's look and feel, this is a top choice. Easy to install, visually appealing, and built to last, this privacy screen does it all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest product reviews here on Product Critique.